Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I want to show you what the queen sent me for October. Yeah, no, it's not October, but I repackaged it because I wanted to show everyone what was in the box. So I put everything back together. So this is from the Planner Society. And we all know LaQuisha at Confident Canvas on Instagram is a big planner chick. So a big planner queen. So I want to show you what's inside of the kit. I haven't even used it yet because I wanted to do the unboxing first, which I'm just now getting around to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the box and open it up. So let's see. So I have this paper is so pretty. Like, I'm definitely keeping this to journal with because this paper is gorgeous. So I have now a new love for washi. This washi is gorgeous. It reminds me of like a vintagey floral, like looks like an animal spot print. This reminds me of like just art marks. And then it's this skinny washi, or I like to call highlighter washi. It has like florals on it. It's like super pretty. And I haven't used anything because I just wanted to do this unboxing first because I can't wait to use it. So the Box Sticker Society, this paper is just gorgeous. This is just super crazy. And I'm gonna try to take this off without ripping the paper because I am going to repurpose this paper. Just put this right here. I had to carefully repackage everything because I took everything out and then I'm like, oh shoot, I didn't even do an unboxing yet. This is so pretty. This is like a notepad and it has gold foil. So gorgeous. Let me put this over here. These are so pretty. I definitely can see me using this because it reminds me of like a vintage theme. It has like a vintage theme to it, and I love vintage. I'm so glad Queen LaQuisha knows exactly what I like. And I definitely will be using these stickers in my planner. Not sure which planner, but I will be using these in my planner. I absolutely love, and it has like a farmhouse. It reminds me, it's autumn, but it reminds me of like a farmhouse look to the stickers. So I love these colors. It's probably like a dark teal, brown, navy blue, pink, gray. So I absolutely love these labels. And I love the bows. I cannot wait to use these. This is the Sticker Society. I'm trying to be careful not to rip the paper, because I really want to repurpose this paper. These stickers are amazing. And I'm just now really getting into stickers. I've never really been into stickers that heavy. I really usually stick to just printables and glue my own things down, but I absolutely love these stickers. I love the bows. That's why I said this reminds me of like farmhouse vintage type of planner accessories, planner stickers. So then you have more labels, and then it's a lot of foiling on these. It's gold foiling, but I guess because of my lighting, it looks a little bit silver. I love these flags. These bows get me. I love these bows. And it's like pieces of, I would say faux washi. But these bows are amazing. I love bows. I absolutely love bows. I make bows, so of course I love bows. And I love these flags with all the bows on them. I absolutely love this. I think this one and this one are definitely my favorite pieces. I love all of it, but I could see me using up all this at one time. This paper, y'all, I'm sorry, but I keep saying that this paper is pretty. This paper is so pretty. Like, this don't even make sense how pretty this paper is. I could see me using this for Christmas for somebody. I'm not that cheap, but I could see me wrapping someone's gift in this. Oh my gosh. Y'all see LaQuisha got down on this. She got down on this. So this is a pen. When I saw this pen, I was like, I had to gasp because I wanted y'all to be like, oh, yeah. But when I saw this pen, I was like, oh no, she didn't. Oh no, she didn't. How did she know? This is so cute. It's almost like she was in my brain. She knows exactly what I like. And when I saw this, I was like, oh yes, oh yes. Show y'all how it looks. Now y'all know I'm gonna be carrying this thing around all the time. This is how it looks. This is super cute. I could just see me carrying I'm gonna get me a pocket planner just so that I can carry this bag around all the time. Oh yes, oh yes. Then they give you bracelets, which I definitely will be wearing these because these are super cute. So, and then it came with a little clip. This is super cute. And then one of my favorites, the washi, the floral washi is amazing. Can't wait to use that. And then I think when I went through all the pieces of the die cuts, I was like, yo, like, I can't even. Took me a while to get these back in here, but I'm gonna take a little bit of them out just to show y'all how they look. I cannot wait to use these. I love die cuts because I can layer up on these. I can layer up using these. They give you so many little pieces. And I definitely, when I saw these, I was like, oh, these are so cute. I love bows, y'all. So it's just these beautiful die cuts. It's these, the bow die cuts are getting used first. I can definitely tell you that. This one's my second favorite. That's probably a piece that's never gonna get used because I'm just gonna hoard, like the ones that look like, I'm gonna probably hoard these. And I love these. What I'll probably do with these, I already knew what I was gonna do with them when I saw them. I'm just gonna layer around washi around these because they're already so pretty. Don't want to take away from how it looks. So I definitely will be using these in my planner. They just remind me so much of farmhouse. I love farmhouse look. And I am a lover of pattern papers. Let's see what else we got. First time I got this up, without tearing the sticker. See? Like, what? More stickers. Let's see what they look like. Well, I know what they look like already. Y'all don't. These are so pretty. More stickers. Sticker, sticker, sticker. LaQuisha gonna have me turning into a sticker girl. These are so pretty. Look at this. Just look at this. She about to have me ordering from the Planner Society all the time because these are amazing. And then I love this. I'm probably gonna use this at work. I said that I was gonna use this at work because I'm always using a paper pad at work for things that I need to remember. So I'm definitely going to use this at work because I just love this. I'm gonna be like note-taking in style and leaving little notes in style. And this is like a copper looking, like this is like a copper color. And it has like month, today, week, notes. This is super cute. And then it has like month, today, week, notes, list, and like the floral colors. I am a huge fan of washi stickers. These are washi stickers. I love washi stickers. I'm gonna tell you why. Because if I don't like the way it's placed, you can easily just pull these up. So I love washi stickers because they come up just like washi tape. So I cannot wait to use the washi stickers, and they're I think they're translucent. So they're not transparent, like you can't see through them, but they have like an opaqueness about them. Look at these bows. And then it has glitter on it. I love these. I'll show y'all how these look. And then I love these wish list, reading, fitness. I love these headings. And this is, they're a gold foil. You probably can't tell it's a gold foil, but they probably look silver to y'all. And then these are stickers as well. And then like you can take these off and then you can tab like your planner. So don't wanna like that. Okay, can't wait to use that. And this is like little scallop pieces of washi that have like glitter. So I think this looks silver, and then this looks like it has a gold glitter in here. And I love scallop washi. It's very hard to find scallop washi. And then this is foiled clear stickers. And then this is more scallop washi. And then these are clear stickers. That's like a gold foiled as well. And then this is just pattern paper. I didn't open this yet. I didn't want to take this out of the pack because it's hard to get. Well, if I would have took this out, it would have been hard to get back in here. So these are like the pattern papers, and this one feels more like I would say this is a, if I had to guess, maybe 32 pound. 32 pound, probably 32 pound cardstock. And it's double-sided. The patterns are double-sided. And this is vellum. This is also vellum. It's pretty. Let me just take this out so y'all can see what it looks like. This is pretty. This will be something that I hoard because I love the lace on the ends. So this would definitely be something I hoard. I probably won't even use that. And this is acetate. It's an acetate piece. And here's another acetate piece. You would have to see this like on white paper because it doesn't show good. And then this is vellum. I love vellum. These florals, ugh. So adorable, amazing. And then this is how this looks. So if you like what you saw, make sure you go to LaQuisha's Instagram at Confident Canvas. I will link everything below in the description box. And she has a link that will take you to the Planner Society, and you can use her link and get all these goodies that you saw today. They have kits, I think, every single month. So every single month is a new kit. And I know this is the one from October, so I am kind of late. But thank you for checking out my video. Until next time, bye.